The Amazon rainforest in South America. The Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest in the world. The forest is in a basin drained mainly by the Amazon River with 1,100 tributaries. It is a moist broadleaf forest which covers 7 million square kilometers. Of this, 5.5 million square kilometers are covered by the rainforest. The region includes territory from 9 nations. Most of the forest is in Brazil with 60% of the rainforest, followed by Peru with 13% and Colombia with 10%. Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname and French Guiana have just a small amount of rainforest. The Amazon has over half of the planet's rainforest area. It has many species of plants. Some include rosewood, mahogany and ebony. It is the largest and most species-rich tract of tropical rainforest in the world. The forest was formed at least 55 million years ago in the Eocene period. With tropical forests are the most species-rich biome. Tropical forests in the Americas have more species than African and Asian with forests. More than 1/3 of all species in the world live in the Amazon rainforest. It is the richest tropical forest in the world in terms of biodiversity. The region is home to 2.5 million insect species, tens of thousands of species of plants, and some 2,000 species of birds and mammals and a similar number of fish. The diversity of plant species is the highest on earth, with some experts estimating that 1 square kilometer may contain over 75,000 types of trees and 150,000 species of higher plants. 1 square kilometer of Amazon rainforest can have about 19,000 tons of living plants. This is the largest collection of living plants and animal species in the world. 1 in 5 of all the birds in the world live here. To date, an estimated 438,000 species of plants of economic and social interest have been registered in the region, with many more remaining to be discovered of. It has many savage animals. Among them, piranha fish is one of them. Piranhas are indigenous to the Amazon basin in the Orinoco, in river of the Guianas, in the Paraguay to Piranha and the São Francisco river systems. But there are major differences in the species richness. Depending on the exact species, most piranhas grow to between 12 and 35 centimeters long. A few can grow larger, with the largest living species, the red-bellied, reaching up to 50 centimeters. Piranha have one of the strongest bites found in bony fishes relative to body mass. The black piranha produce one of the most forceful bites measured in vertebrates.